I'll give you a little shot. We're good. All right, here you go again, Dad.
Get stuck in them, that will kill.
We did it the other night.